of class 10th B.
This is Khushbu of class 9B.
I am Ayushi of class 11.
I am Parul of class 12.
I am Sakshi of class 2.
I am Supreet Kaur of class 10th A.
We believe in volunteering and giving help to those who need it.
Giving connects us with others. It helps us to build stronger communities and helps to make a better future and a better society for everyone.
It gives us long-term satisfaction and happiness. We believe that by giving, we receive more.
In today's era, education is really very important, as it is the mother of invention. Providing education to each and everyone is very necessary.
And we all see a number of underprivileged children around us. So what we often see there, that children, they are not provided with the basic facilities of life. This is really bad. We people do not do even a single thing for them. Do you think this is humanity? That we are filling our pockets, we are living a luxurious life, but still we are not doing anything for such people.
We all are aware about the children living in slums. They live and study in poverty. They take birth in the underprivileged environment and spend their whole life in the same environment. They are not provided with basic amenities of life. They are forced to search for food in the heaps of garbage.
For them, poverty is like a punishment for a crime which they didn't commit.
They are forced by their parents to work in order to earn livelihood. They also have aspirations, they also have goals in their life, but they have no money to fulfill their dreams. They have no way to follow their objectives.
Unless an effort is made, their lives will remain in the doldrums. I mean, they were never born with the silver spoons in their mouth. So I feel we should come forward and act as a knight in shining armor for such children.
Every day around the world, there is a child aching for help. This hurts so much, but we believe that supporting hands are better than the words of pity.
We know that it's not rich people's fault that they are rich, and it's not poor people's fault that they are poor.
Humanity is a basic thing that differentiates one from a human being from being human.
If proper education is given to them, they can also be stopped being poor. NGOs play a vital role in raising community awareness of education and assisting directly poor people.
I'm really happy that our institute, Jam Public School, which is tied up with this organization, Salam Zindagi, in which Aao Padhao Ek Zindagi Banaye. This is a very good cause to help the others, and this derived to dedicated towards the empowerment of the underprivileged kids.
So, we have taken a small step and students of our school have collected some material to help underprivileged children. I hope we can help and change lives of some people by bringing small smiles on their face.
What we are doing is that our children from our school, they have collected school kits, school bags, they've collected geometry boxes, they've collected lunch boxes, bottles, and now through this NGO, we will be providing these things to underprivileged children.
I'm really very happy that my kids are helping hand and they are pouring their help. I didn't expect this much that they can do it, but they are really doing wonderfully well. I hope this organization going to forward and it will be spread out throughout the world, so that the students who cannot able to afford certain things like pen, pencil, bags, which we can easily hand over to them.
Aao Padhaaye Ek Zindagi Banaye is one of its kind. Our main aim is to bring happiness on the faces of underprivileged children.
Aao Padhaaye Ek Zindagi Banaye, which is forwarding helping hands from young impact makers to shape the lives and fulfill the basic dreams of a child, an unprivileged child, which is not getting the basic amenities like school books and pencil box, school bag, etc.
Jam Public Senior Secondary School has collaborated with Salam Zindagi India and donated school bags, water bottles and other basics educational amenities
to help the underprivileged children so that they can fulfill their dreams and can secure their future.
I'm really happy, I really feel grateful that we are also able to do something humane. We are also able to help such children because God's wonderful reflection comes in the guise of children, and by doing such deeds, we go near God.
So this is a small initiative taken by the Zen Public School which can help these students, and I really appreciate my kids which is taking initiative. They started to taking initiatives and they started to pouring the things as we are never expected the things. And this day really empowering the school going kids which is need of our nowadays. I'm really happy my kids are doing wonderfully well and my teachers are taking care of that thing. Thank you so much. I hope this is going to be a long association with them so that we can help the kids in a long run also.
You and I can impact in their life. So our motto is आओ पढ़ाएं एक जिंदगी बनाएं.
Let us now take an oath that आओ पढ़ाएं एक जिंदगी बनाएं.
आओ पढ़ाएं एक जिंदगी बनाएं.
आओ पढ़ाएं जिंदगी बनाएं.
आओ पढ़ाएं एक जिंदगी बनाएं.
आओ पढ़ाएं जिंदगी बनाएं.
आओ पढ़ाएं जिंदगी बनाएं.